Are you an affiliate marketer looking to earn more income from affiliate marketing campaigns? Well, you've come to the right place. Get ready to discover the ultimate tool. It can increase your leads, supercharge your affiliate commissions, and increase your conversion rates. Welcome back to our channel, affiliate marketers. Good to see you here. What's up? So I know that you're wondering which tool to use as an affiliate marketer because you did click on this video. So, there it is. So let me walk you through why GetResponse is great for affiliate marketers. GetResponse is a comprehensive email marketing platform that goes beyond email. This platform helps you grow, engage, and convert your audience. It does this with powerful email, automation, and list growth tools. They're specifically designed to help affiliate marketers like you. Let's dive in. Let's dive right in and explore why GetResponse is a game changer. You don't like my dive dance? Diving. Dive? No. Email marketing automation, GetResponse offers that. It has a user-friendly interface, you can personalize your communication with your customers, and this really helps nurture your leads. With its user-friendly interface, you can really customize and personalize your email campaigns to your users. You can automate this communication. So imagine a world where this is just so much easier than what you're doing now. Next up, GetResponse Landing Page Builder. You don't need any coding skills to create high quality, good looking landing pages. So say goodbye to complicated coding and all that other stuff and hello to beautiful landing pages that capture leads and help conversion rates. But that's not all, folks. GetResponse has an autoresponder functionality. What does that mean? Let me tell you. This enables you to automate email sequences. You're able to deliver targeted content. This is key. So this means you can follow up with your audience, engage with your audience, build trust with your audience, and increase conversion rates and commissions. A/B testing, let's talk about it. With A/B testing, GetResponse allows you to experiment with your email marketing campaigns and landing pages. So you're able to test out subject lines, CTAs, call to action buttons, and other elements within your landing page to see what works best with your audience, what resonates with your audience. Once A/B testing is completed, you gather all the data and take a look at what's working and what's not. And GetResponse actually helps you with that. You can track and measure the performance of your landing pages, your email campaigns, and with that, you can see what's working and what's not. GetResponse has integration capabilities, so you can connect your e-commerce platforms, your CRM systems, and affiliate network tracking. This helps you streamline your efforts, synchronize data, and overall help you with your affiliate marketing efforts. And here's some exciting news. GetResponse has two great affiliate programs. A 33% reoccurring commission or $100 bounty upfront commission. Both of these programs are integrated into the GetResponse product. Essentially, you can earn additional income by referring others to GetResponse. Pop quiz! So why is GetResponse good for affiliate marketers? You guessed it, it's the perfect combination of email marketing and automation. Don't miss out on this opportunity and sign up for GetResponse today. You've watched this whole video, so I know that you're interested. We've listed everything in the description box below. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to our channel, click that like button. We've got lots of great content coming out for affiliate marketers, email marketers. We've got you covered. Thanks so much for joining me today and happy affiliate marketing.